Hi guys, Galaxy here, and welcome to my intro video. And anyways, you're probably thinking, hey, what's Galaxy Squad about? And I'm here to tell you that. So on this channel we're going to do a little bit of gaming, as you see right here, and a little bit of podcast and some collabs with my two buddies, Diesel and Caitlin. I'll link their channels in the description because I forgot them. I know it's bad that I forgot my own friends' channel names, but don't ask. Anyways. Also, you're probably thinking, well, what's the schedule like? Are you gonna upload each day? Are you gonna be those people who post like once a month? And I'm here to tell you that too. We're gonna be posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Not on the weekends, cause, well, obviously no. Why would I, just, seriously guys, I'm not gonna give up my holiday time, rest time. Anyways, I have a little secret for you. If you press the red button down below and the like button, that will help me out a lot. So do that right now. Do that right now. Seriously, do that. Do that. Anyways, I'm not gonna force you to do that. I just, please. Anyways, also you can comment on a gaming video if you like it, so I can keep on doing it, and I know that you guys are enjoying it. So, or just leave a thumbs up, and then I know. But either way, anyways, oh my God. Ow, that was loud. I'm not gonna do that in Gmod anymore. Anyways, I'm not gonna force you to do anything. Galaxy out. But not really out because I haven't pressed the end of the record button yet. So, Galaxy really out now.